To access the program you need to run the robots, look in your desktop for the Programs folder. In that folder, search for the app called Robot C4.x and open that. You have two to pick from. We're going to use the one called Graphical Robot C, and launch that. It's going to look a lot like the program you used last year called Tinker, but a bit different. Here it is. To set things up, we always have to go, like for Phi-Ed, you go to the locker room, you get changed, you go to the gym, get your squads. Every day. Locker room, change, gym, squad, locker room, change, gym, squad, same. Here too. Every time you have to go to Robot and change a platform type to the one called VEX 2.0 Cortex. If you don't see it, dig for it. It could be under here or it could be in here. So dig for it to find VEX 2.0 Cortex. Mine's picked, the dot means it's been picked. And you gotta pick the one called Natural Language Project Lead the Way. Pick that one. I'm gonna double check, jump back into it, and check 2.0 Cortex and Natural Language. Now I'm ready to go for running the program.